Hey everyone, Levi Taylor here at Hayward Allen Toyota. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light. Starting around 2014, Toyota made it a lot less difficult to reset your own maintenance light. So today we're going to take a look at that. Come on inside. You'll see here where you've got the main menu, you'll want to go to Settings, and then you'll scroll down until you see Vehicle Settings. Press the OK button right here on your steering wheel, and then you'll see Maintenance Reset. Go down to it, press OK, and then go to Yes to reset your maintenance light. Press OK, and now our maintenance reset is complete. Thank you for watching this video today. We hope that it's been very helpful. If you have any other questions, or you would like to see us make another video on a question that you have for your vehicle, please drop it in the comment box or give us a call at 706-369-5020. We look forward to seeing you at Hayward Allen Toyota for your next service.